Good afternoon, Jai Jagannath, to all the viewers watching this video. This video particularly I am dedicating to my friend Mr. Ravindra Sawant, who is seed expert since last 30 years. I have been seeing his journey, and particularly this video I am going to show the results which we have taken in this last few months. The seeds and nutrients have given a tremendous result so far. Let me show you some snaps of those. Guys, you can see these are all cherry tomatoes. We have taken 250 plants of yellow and 50 of red cherry tomatoes, and these plants are 40 to 45 days old, and these structures we have uh, taken for extra strength and provide rigidity and stability to the growing plants. These plants have already shown the first flowers. I hope you are able to figure it out. The resolution of this camera is not so well, but I guess let me show you some more of it. Okay, this is probably you can see here, and likewise in every plant we have seeing these results.